Your actions teach your children what's appropriate. So when you see children who use profanity, you know why they use profanity? They learn that from their parents. So 2353 State of Texas versus Concia Roper. Have parties approach. And the parties should state their name for the record.
Anthony Cantrell for the defendant.
Michael Villarreal for the state.
And Judge, this is a continuation.
I remember. Yes, thank you. My mind is a steel trap.
That's good.
All right, and are you Ms. Roper?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we had begun the plea in this case, and where we stopped was I was going over the plea agreement. So has the plea agreement changed since the last time I began?
Yes, Your Honor. Specifically, as it relates to the agreement as far as an affirmative finding of family violence, we are asking that the document reflect that the state is not seeking an affirmative finding of family violence on this case.
All right, if you all want the paperwork to reflect that. All right, Ms. Roper, I'm showing you what's entitled plea bargain page. Did you review that page with your attorney and did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and just so the record can be clear, previously I've stated that the defendant had knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. According to the plea bargain agreement, there's a $1,500 fine. The state recommends deferred adjudication, and they're asking for the VIPP course. Did you understand that to be the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, sir.
Defense, is that the plea bargain agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea bargain agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There'll be a top evaluation, 120 hours community service restitution, no contact with Charles Mayberry, Mayberry, and no firearm possessions. Did you understand that those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged in the indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence to support the defendant's plea.
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, state up for state exhibit number 1 and its attachment.
Any objections?
No objections.
Ms. Roper, I'm going to show you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept it to evidence, states exhibits 1 and attachments, and review the same.
Yes, ma'am.
After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty in the court. Will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication or proceeding with sentencing.
If we can, Your Honor, that would be great. One other thing, Your Honor, they do have 2 children together, so only with respect to when they're.
Well, first, are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor, we'd ask that you follow the plea bargain.
All right, so you were talking about the 2 children they have together?
Yes, so just during the exchange, if there could just be no harmful or injurious contact or any other matters that might arise with respect to the care of children, no harmful or injurious contact. Otherwise, there is no other relationship.
All right, Ms. Roper, what are the ages of your children?
My daughter shall be 5 this month, and then our son will be 2 in August.
All right, is Child Protective Services involved?
No, ma'am. we're just passing children through both of our parents. That's how we've been doing this.
So CPS wasn't involved at all.
No,
Are you employed?
yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I'm the lead cook and prep for Gus's Fried Chicken.
Is it chicken good?
Yes.
Is it better than Southern Classic?
It's cooked in peanut oil, so yes. But come and try it. I make all the sides. So
Have you
go ahead.
tried Southern Classic?
I'm from Biloxi, Mississippi, so we Southern classic all the way.
Okay. So, I think we're gonna have a little debate. We may need to have a debate over the best chicken, but okay. I have been to Gus's and it was good.
I'm gonna have to try it now.
I can't believe you have not tried. How long has he been representing you? You should support your client.
Absolutely.
It's right around the corner. I don't see why. We get a lot of you guys in there. I'm y'all's cook.
The wait is
everything y'all
long.
eat, I make it.
The wait is long. All right, this is what I'm going to do. Sentence you to 4 years deferred adjudication. There's a $1,500 fine that will be probated. The BIPP course, parenting classes, proof of employment within 30 days. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. 120 hours of community service restitution. 40 of those hours will be waived if you provide proof of the COVID vaccination. The court is not requiring you to get the COVID vaccination, but if you do with the booster shot, 40 of those hours will be waived. The remaining of the hours will be waived once you complete parenting classes. There's to be no contact with Charles Mayberry outside of custody exchanges usually go wrong. And let me just tell you why custody exchanges go wrong. And this is based upon my experience as a defense attorney and a prosecutor. It goes wrong because people always want to bring extra people at the custody exchange. And usually the extra people they're bringing are their new girlfriends, their new boyfriends, and things just go haywire. So you all going to continue to do your custody exchange to your parents. And grandparents are great. I think they enjoy seeing their grandchildren as grandparents to spoil them. So there's going to remain in no contact with Charles Mayberry. I'll reconsider that once she's been on deferred adjudication for a while and I can see how things
Here
are
it
going.
is, the moment where accountability gets real. The judge isn't just handing down conditions. She's addressing behavior that could directly affect public safety and parenting. And that marijuana comment, that's not just humor, it's...
Things are going, and
Thank you,
maybe
Judge.
after the parenting classes. So no contact with Charles Mayberry, no firearm possession. If you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be? All right, we got to stop using the marijuana, you understand? I don't want anyone cooking my chicken to use marijuana. Maybe they'll forget to use the peanut oil and use Crisco or something, okay? Not that there's anything wrong with Crisco. So I want her tested for levels. And so those levels should start going down. There's going to be regular reporting in person or Zoom. We'll do field visits one time per month for 6 months. And of course, if everything goes well, you can discontinue the field visits. Okay. Is there anything else, probation?
Your Honor, did you say anything about a tap? Did you want a tap?
No, we'll just see how these UAs go. But if those levels go up, we may end up doing something else. It's not gonna happen, you're done.
My children is more important to me than smoking a blunt.
Yes. All right, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court in order to be successful?
Other than, you've already said what you had to say about the contact between me and
Yes.
Charles. So,
All right, I'm gonna show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
yes,
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
yes.
This is the
All
heart
right,
of
we
the
got-
case. The judge isn't just sentencing, she's teaching. Because at the end of the day, the biggest consequence isn't the probation. It's what these children learn from it. So here's the question. Do you think this sentence will actually change her behavior, or is this just temporary?
All right, you can go off the record. So here's the thing. You have a 5-year-old and a 2-year-old. 5-year-old and 2-year-old, their children are pretty simple, I've discovered. 2-year-old wants to eat, wants their diaper changed, wants you to say you love them, bounce them underneath. They don't want chaos in their life. And when parents bring chaos into children's lives, that becomes the expected thing. So your actions teach your children what's appropriate. So when you see children who use profanity, you know why they use profanity? They learn that from their parents. So everything that's happening in these formative years for your children, they're mimicking you. So make sure they're mimicking good things. Do you understand? All right, good luck to you.
Thank you, Judge.